Yo, it's your boy Vito Who. I ain't gonna be in front of y'all too long. I just wanted to say I appreciate everybody, anybody, who's who, anywhere who kind of fool with my content for 2024. Uh, if you caught my content on Facebook, Vito Jackson. If you caught it on YouTube, who doing what. If you caught it on TikTok, who doing what one. Or if you caught it on Instagram, Vito who. Man, I appreciate you for checking in, checking out the off-road content, the photographs, music videos, drone footage, how-tos, do it yourself. I mean, I appreciate y'all checking it out. I hit 28,000 this year. Um, that's a good run for me. That's a good come up. I just want to say thank y'all for checking out the content, the parks I've been to, the people who let me do some of their footage, photographs, and everything, anything. Um, Here goes some of the info right here. It's like there's nothing really to hide. We did over 5,000 new subscribers this year. We hit almost 4,000, well, 4 million views. I had a lot of uploads, man. Like, hopefully people go back and check this stuff out. Also this year, I want to give a shout out to Smith's Farm. They doing a big out there for the community, letting people come out there on the land and ride, enjoy themselves. Uh, Shout out to Stars Network. Stars actually hooked up with me, got some content for me last year and this year, and me, Yayo, and some of the more people we ride with, we actually got on TV this year. Smith's Farms was on TV this year. That's out there in Charleston, Mississippi. That was my most viewed video for this year. So I appreciate the opportunity. Let me come on the grounds and shoot some content. Appreciate Stars for hooking up with me, getting that content, put me on TV and things. If you didn't know, we made it on TV too this year. That's on Stars Network. So what else? We top live stream, top live stream out there. Muddy Pastors, new park, new territory, new platform, new area out there in Crystal Springs. Some may say it's Terry, Mississippi, but that's out there. 366 Muddy Pastors. You can Google it. Come out there, ride. We got some holes, we got muds, we got trails. You can host events out there, and that's where one of my biggest live streams came from when we was creating those bounty holes and things out there. So whenever you want to hold something, just contact me, and we have a place for you. Um, so those are the analytics right there for this year. We almost did another 4,000 hours watched. Well, I think that's gonna be throughout every 90 days anyway. So, but also, I secured 3 affiliates this year too, from putting out so much content and stuff. So I actually had some people share an opportunity to make some money with them. So that's what's up. I got an affiliate with Auto One LED lights. So I got a link right there. If you go through that link, you can actually buy some lights and get 15% off. Also, Dehancer, that's editing plugin for videos or for photos. You can get a 10% discount if you use Who Promo if you go to Dehancer website. Also, I got one more affiliate that's with Raid. Those shoes, they may have more than shoes there, but if you use the referral code David14216, or you can use my affiliate link right there in the description, you can get 10% off that. So 2025, I want to work more, get more affiliates, maybe secure a long-term sponsor. We just got the 2025 Outlander. We need some parts, we need some mods, we need some prototypes, we need some designs. Anybody want to work together on that, just let them know that I'm interested. And again, I just want to say thank y'all for 2024 for fooling with the content. And I'm trying to do more 2025. So holla at me. Who?